Well, the slash is done.
And it's time for fun.
If you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our new uploads.
Ring the bell.
We got the brand new body on this. Wait. This thing out of here. We got the brand new body on that slat.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I see. We've got the brand new body. Wait a minute. I'm kidding.
We got the Bass Boat Extreme on this one.
This is Sparkle Town. Oh, it is so beautiful. We're going to take it outside today alongside this Sledge.
And have some fun.
And we'll show you some of the carnage that happened from the winds in Minnesota. It was pretty crazy. We're outside. Oh, how beautiful that slash body is. It is so...
It's the Bass Boat Edition.
3, 2, 1, go. What was that?
I got dead batteries.
What?
Dead batteries.
Well, his batteries were dead. That was awesome. Okay, while we're at it, I'll show you the carnage. We have this beautiful willow tree. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It had some really bad wind, and you can see right here, a lot of stuff down. He's got new batteries. I absolutely love the Splash Ultimate. This is my favorite car so far. I have heard people say, oh, it's a trash car, it breaks all the time. I have not had it break that much. You know, A-arms are gonna snap and stuff like that when you're doing up high jumps like we are, but besides that, it's not been a bad car. It's actually very versatile. It doesn't look very versatile, but it is. Hey, Dad, I was telling them why I love this Slash.
Why do you love the Slash?
Well, I already told them, but I want you to tell them why you love the Sledge.
I love the Sledge because it's so amazing.
That was the best. By the way, look at these beautiful...
The blossoms are coming.
That's so pretty.
You want a drag race?
There's a car.
You want a drag race?
The Sledge is faster than the Slash, but we'll have to see.
I don't know. Wow, that puppy's dialed in. Don't get in the water either.
It's a boat. It's a boat. Why?
It's a bass, but look, he's got a fishing rod.
Oh my gosh. Are we ready?
Ready as they'll ever be.
2, 1, go.
Jeez, this thing.
Whoa. The only reason you didn't win is because I was wheeling.
I was wheeling.
Or you, yeah.
There's that red truck you were talking about.
Winner. How about you get a rolling start and then I'll get an acceleration start. So like you start from 2 lines down. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! I'm doing wheelies.
I kept her down.
I didn't think that was gonna happen. You gotta make sure that the body isn't outside. You gotta make sure it's inside of that so that you don't wreck it. Feel free to screenshot.
Oh, they're going close together.
Oh, you're just towing it. That's why
they were so close together.
I was like, why? Do a rolling start from here and then burst it there.
Both of us?
Yeah, so rolling start from there and then burst it. 2, 1, go. Where are you going? I'm way ahead of you. Oh! That was so
priceless.
Tight.
Priceless.
Oh! Come on. That's some tight racing right there. See, we're not awesome at drive, but I mean, we were close. What's up, bro?
Where's this? I hear a motorcycle, but I see a car.
Go get it. Oh.
Oh,
I didn't even crash.
Fell right into the swamp.
but I'm fine. In 3, 2, 1, go. Come get me. Come get me,
I lost it.
We can pass this. Oh, I could so pass her. I really want to pass these people, but if we get too far away, I don't know what's going to happen. Oh! Oh!
I recovered. I can't believe it. Did you see that?
Yeah, you did. I really hope I got that on camera.
Man. I'm like, he's going to make me crash. I'm hitting the throttle.
Yeah?
And I pulled out of it.
You know what I thought?
No.
Oh, crap. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
I got a new favorite thing.
What's your favorite thing?
This Sledge is so stable.
Yeah, yeah.
Even in the midst of a crash, I can
Walter.
counter steer and pull out of it.
Oh.
I just can't stick it. Boy,
Probably
Walter is hell bent on crossing the road. Oh, yeah, we're gonna
Oh,
cog
it is Walter. I thought it was Emily.
He had to get across.
Steering, where are you? Whereas I'm like, did I just die?
Your battery quit?
Yep. Let's get to bashing. Oh, that's a tree.
There go those blooms.
All right, they're dirty. We're gonna wash them off quick on the intermission with Simple Green. We've never used it, but we heard it works. So
A lot of guys who use it for their RCs.
yeah, we're
so
gonna try it out. You know. All right, there you go. Simple Green. There we go.
wow, that worked good. Well, that bass boat's shining again. All right, looking clean.
Look at that body, it's still soapy. All right, well, let's put them in the sun to dry and we'll show you what they look like when they're dry. We're back outside. We're ready to roll. There's a little bit of water spots on the splash. So I rinsed them off again and just want to have them dry.
We didn't scrub them, we just sprayed them and hosed them off.
Yeah.
And we have terribly hard water here.
But let's get back to bashing. We're not done, so. He was shocked. Oh! I messed it up. On to the next bit of carnage. It's only a little bit of carnage.
Just a little.
You know the tramp that we've used in a ton of videos?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gosh dang it. That giant branch just snapped right off. And now this is...
She's bent pretty hard
It's not ripped though.
underneath
Oh,
the
it
branch.
did rip.
Oh, it's through it?
Yeah. It ripped. If you don't want to see a dead animal, skip like 10 seconds. Found this little dude. He's so pretty though.
Did he get smashed by the tree falling down?
I think so. It's a nice pallet.
There's the buckets.
Where'd you get these pallets?
Oh, they're gonna go in the greenhouse.
Yep, we're building a greenhouse. Guys, put in the comments down below, what degree do you think that's at? I'm gonna say 53. So that's about 0. Oh, it's only 39, 38. It's 38 degrees.
38.
Like, let's see. Not
Oh,
made
Lord.
for the flash. Ouch.
Couldn't do a backflip.
Beautiful.
Tried doing a trick.
Battery came out. Also, story time. This was laying on the ground like that, and it was dark, and I stepped on it, and this nail went through my foot. And I still hurt right now, but I'm able to walk, see? It's
I
this
can't do
foot,
it.
And I'm able to walk. First day, wasn't able to
Take
walk.
the body off.
But yeah, so we're gonna go blow this up with 600 sticks of dynamite. Oh, save.
That's that wheelie jump.
Yeah.
Going to a wheelie right when you get there.
Woo! That was nice.
And then it
Oh,
does
he
a front
wrecked
flip.
it. He wrecked it. No, you messed me up.
I bumped you off.
Oh, I'm
Hey,
sorry.
Have another drink.
Sure.
Hey, Reggie.
What's up, boy? Well, guys, we had an awesome day today. We did a lot of sledging
A lot of slashing.
and a lot of bashing.
We
So,
sure did.
hopefully you loved that video. If you did, give it a like and share it with your friends.
What did you think about that road race?
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. You know, if you want to see more bashing videos, comment down below. Tell us your opinions on the Sledge, because, you know, it's a new car. A lot of mixed opinions about it, so we'd like to
I
hear
got
yours.
some more opinions today.
All right, go ahead.
This thing is awesome.
I
It
think it's
rarely tips over.
really stable vehicle. I would say it's worth the money.
Several times when we were racing out on the road, I would hit the shoulder, and usually in other vehicles, if I hit the shoulder, I'm
Yeah,
done.
you're done. You wipe out.
But I kept it, and I kept on the throttle even and pulled out.
Guys, we hope you liked this video, and we will see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoors signing right out.
Bye for now.